sasaya mo?
Ganyan talaga. Where are we getting dressed for?
Para
Where are you
na.
gonna wear?
Para na.
Ikaw, si Sen, saka si Chris.
Sarap.
Gusto ko yung ano kasi.
Sen, how's it? How is it?
The Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt. Who am I that the bright and morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow.
Chris, tawagin mo na rin sila Arnie para kumain na.
The ocean, a vapor in the wind, still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. I'm yours. I'm yours.
Uy, lagay ko muna sa loob to.
Who am I that the eyes that see my sin would look on me with love and watch me rise again? Who am I that the rise and calm the sea would call out through the rain and calm the storm in me? But because of who I am, but because of what you've done, not because of what I've done, but because of who you are.
Kumain ka na.
He doesn't eat rice, remember? He
Eh.
has to be sexy for his endorsements. You know?
Excuse books. Parang magpe-perform tayo sa mga ano, kina Mr. C.
Ito?
Positive lang ako. Hindi ako matatanggal yung isa.
Parehas kayong dalawa. Masaya naiinis ako. Bakit ikaw pa? Bakit kayo pa? Bakit ikaw pa nagpalpa ka pa ng W?
Yan talaga. Di ba maganda naman lahat performance ko?
Oo, bakit? Ay, kung isipin.
Alam na mga tao.
Tol, pakipasok na lang dito, Tol.
Ito pwede din to sa'yo, yung katang to. Pwede to sa'yo. Kasi ito yung parang nagkakasala palagi. Pero siya yung, kahit gano'n kalaki yung sala natin, andyan pa rin siya para mag
Who am I that the Lord of all the earth
Ganda talaga.
would care to know my name?